The Supreme Court has directed the Delhi Development Authority and the Delhi government to demolish unauthorized constructions spread across more than 4 bighas of public land in Khasra number 279 of Okhla village in Delhi within 3 months. A bench comprising Justice Abhay Asok and Justice Ujjal Bhuya issued the order while hearing a contempt plea concerning non-compliance of its 2018 judgment in the MC Mehta versus Union of India case, which dealt with unauthorized constructions on public lands in the capital. The court made it clear that a 15-day advance notice must be served to all the affected persons before any demolition is carried out, giving them the opportunity to take legal action if they choose. It further directed both the DDA and the Delhi government to file compliance affidavits within 3 months. The petitioner's counsel informed the court that the petitioner no longer wished to pursue the contempt plea. Taking note of this, the court decided to continue the matter on its own motion as a suo motu proceeding and directed that the petitioner's name should not appear in any demolition-related notice. The case here relates to Khasra number 279, like I said, which comprises 34 bighas and 8 biswas of land. The court recorded that 13 bighas and 14 biswas of the area are vacant and do not require any action. Another 11 bighas and 11 biswas are located within the boundaries of the Uttar Pradesh Irrigation Department, and therefore no action was ordered on that portion either. What remains in dispute is the unauthorized construction spread over approximately 9 bighas and 3 biswas. According to the court, the DDA is currently in possession of the 5 bighas and 15 biswas of this land. Out of this, 3 bighas and 5 biswas are protected under the PM Uday scheme, which recognizes property rights of residents in unauthorized colonies. The remaining 2 bighas and 10 biswas are outside the scope of this scheme and have been directed to be cleared by DDA through demolition. For the remaining 3 bighas and 8 biswas, which are not yet in DDA's possession, the court noted that 1 bigha and 8 biswas are also covered under the PM Uday scheme. However, since the 2 bighas of land are not protected and have not been handed over to the DDA, the court directed the Delhi government to carry out the demolition in this portion in accordance with the law. Earlier, the DDA had informed the court that it could not proceed with demolition as it had not taken possession of the land, and in March this year, the court had sought a personal affidavit from DDA's vice chairman explaining the inaction. The vice chairman, in an affidavit filed in April, maintained that DDA could not act without formal possession of the land. Well, in light of these developments, the top court today ordered both the DDA and the state government to act on the unauthorized structures falling within their respective jurisdictions and reiterated that all such actions must follow the legal procedure, including adequate notice to the affected parties.